Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Welcome back, Royals. Before we get into the holiday cinema of it all, I want to give thanks to today's sponsors, Dossier. You guys, I have collabed with Dossier well over a year now, and it is with good reason. They are a inspired by luxury fragrance brand that carries the most amazing fragrances and scents. And now, guys, they even carry candles. So scent for this month for me were the powdery orange flower. It is inspired by Valentino. Smells amazing, you guys. I also picked up this month floral musk inspired by Lancome Edule, and I got woody raspberry inspired by Lady Million, and they all smell true to the fragrance, you guys. They are a designer fragrance without a designer price. And as if it couldn't get any better, guys, they are having their Cyber Monday sale today, where the more you buy, the more you save, saving up to 50% off on your favorite designer-inspired fragrances. I will have the link, of course, in my description box. You can shop to your heart's content and thank me later. And so now, you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the holiday cinema of it all. We're going to travel down my hallway into a space I am affectionately calling 50 Shades of Grey. After touring the space, you'll see why. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And I'll chime in later with details of this zero-cost, fabulous refresh.
A winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. For this past year, oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day. everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night. It's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss.
As you can see, 50 Shades of Grey is living up to the name, guys, starting with these beautiful window panels / shower curtains. They are from K. Gorge. The wall sconces are from Hobby Lobby. Also, the candles are from Hobby Lobby. Moving down to the towels, guys, the textured gray towels are from Walmart. The white snowflakes are from Home Goods. Tie backs are from Amazon. These beautiful charcoal tie backs are from Ross Home Stores. And I absolutely love the shades of gray. I think this was an amazing theme and fit perfectly in this space. Again, this was a zero cost refresh that I just did a classic switcheroo, switch things from one space to another to create this one-of-a-kind look. Now moving over to the other side, you guys, I'm extra and I just love doing that little water stamp on my toilet. This cute little centerpiece was a DIY by yours truly using floor picks that I've already had. They are all from Hobby Lobby. Just simply rearrange them together on a cute little foam. And there you have it, guys. Easy does it. Simple elegance. No fuss, no muss. But it adds just that perfect touch of Christmas glam to this 50 Shades of Grey theme. It's giving whimsical. It's giving elegance. It's giving glam. And it's definitely giving royalty. And you too can do the same with just a little bit of creativity. Now moving over to the other side, guys, these soap dispensers. One houses hand sanitizer, the other houses soap. They are from Home Goods. This adorable Christmas tree was a recent Burlington find, along with the matching towel from Home Goods. And that rounds out the vignette in this space. Now moving over, how adorable is this reindeer and sleigh ensemble, the classic bling reindeer. I have tons of them, so I thought they would be perfect nestled there. And these wall pieces are from Burlington also. I've had them several years. And that rounds out the items in this space. Oh, with the exception of the place or the area rugs. The rugs are from the at-home store. Now, if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, the Holiday Cinema series is well underway again, and I am going to pump out 7, yes, you heard me, 7 videos back to back. So set those notification bells, click them twice, because you don't want to miss a single upload. I want to get these videos out to you guys, give you as much inspiration as possible, climax with an amazing holiday cinema home tour, and move on to the next phase of royalty extravaganzas. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. If you haven't already, connect with me, guys, on my other platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And there you will find plenty more holiday inspiration. Until then, guys, I want you to click on my Amazon store. You'll find a lot of my holiday inspiration. So stay safe, remain royal, and until the next one, have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful holiday. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.